Contemporary Education in India. My name is Rana Jayamba Jairaj. Course Bachelor of Education. Seminar topic Introduction Skill, that is Visaya Bhimu Kaushalya. Subject Professor Binduben Bhatt. College name Sri S.D. Mehta B.Ed College. Introduction. Classroom teaching is a complex process. The teacher has to use a variety of skills in his teaching. Whatever subject he wants to teach in the classroom should have a good start, and if it starts in a very ritualistic way, then the teaching becomes easy and natural. For this, a new subject should be started keeping in view the prior knowledge of the students. Psychological attitude should be raised in the classroom for the students to be eager to acquire new knowledge and to awaken his curiosity. Meaning of introduction skill: the tactic of directing and motivating the students towards the topic or subject that the teacher is going to teach in the classroom is usually called introduction or subject oriented skill. Objectives of introduction skill: first, acquire new knowledge. The students can be prepared to acquire new knowledge. Second, cognitive relationship. The teacher can cultivate a cognitive relationship with the students for the subject to be taught in the classroom by introduction skill. Third, logical connection. Logical connection can be done between new knowledge by checking the expected prior knowledge of the student. Fourth, reduces gap. The gap between the students' prior knowledge and actual knowledge can be reduced. Partners. Students have the opportunity to become partners in the classroom practice. Sixth, new knowledge. The student can easily acquire new knowledge, and for that, two matters are important for these objectives: build a relationship on a cognitive level and build a relationship on an emotional level. Components of introductional skill: first is desirable behavior and second is undesirable behavior. In the classroom, the teacher should rehearse the desired behavior to become well versed in the introduction skill component. This behavior becomes component of introduction skill. For example, the use of prior knowledge, the use of appropriate technique, the compatibility with motives, all these behaviors are considered desirable behavior. The teacher should also be aware of when there is a barrier of introduction skill. Such obstructive behavior is called undesirable behavior. Desirable behavior: first, use of prior knowledge. Before coming to the school, the students gain many experiences in the family. The teacher should make the student conscious by associating the new knowledge or experience with the previous experience. Following sentences are used more in this skill. We have learned earlier that when we visited the exhibition, we show the student something and ask what you see in it. You can show the charts, pictures, etc. and use the right technique. When a new knowledge or experience or topic or of a subject is to be taught, the following techniques can be used. You can use quiz, statement, lecture, example, role play, story or reciting, poem, use of audiovisual equipments, showing samples, newspaper reading, TV or tape recorder, etc. can be used. Undesirable behavior: the teacher should avoid some unwanted behaviors to acquire introduction skill in the classroom. First is behavior of breach of continuity. The rationality and sequence of presentation of information or quiz is called continuity. Consistency is broken in the preamble when teacher fails to establish a relationship with the student and get confused. Thus, the teacher's behavior becomes continuity breaker. The rationality and the sequence of the presentation should be continuous. If the teacher asks that a question without a logical sequence at the beginning of the lesson, when the questions or statements asked by the teacher at the beginning of the lesson are not relevant to the goal of the lesson or the topic. Such questions seem irrational, so the teacher fails to establish a relationship with the students and gets confused. Thus, the teacher's behavior becomes continuity breaker, like when the students give answers incorrectly, when the students get confused and do not answer the questions, when distraction appears on the student's face. Second is artificial heading or title. The behavior of teacher to focus on a new topic without focusing on the new subject matter or the core idea of the subject is called artificial heading behavior, which is undesirable. When a new topic is to be taught, the student should be instinctively drawn to the subject matter of the lesson using the pre-knowledge that corresponds to its central idea or information. Introduction skill is used in the micro lessons to develop the teacher trainee. Thank you.